Good evening from Graham Family Farm. Here are the Blue Star chicks at 6 weeks. Getting pretty big now. Getting closer and closer to be moved outside. Working on getting the coop outside ready. We're gonna use the old coop until we get a chance to build the new one. But anyway, that's what the Blue Star chicks look like. I think some of these are bigger than others. I don't know if there's any roosters or not yet. I can't tell. By the internet, they're supposed to have like a star on their head or something. I don't see any stars. Anyway, tune in next week and see how big they are then. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching.